Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare the Maserati Granturismo Modena versus the Trofeo. We'll dive into what makes each model unique, helping you decide which one best suits your driving style. We'll look at their core specifications and how they translate to the road. Get ready to explore the nuances of these two incredible Grand Tourers. When it comes to raw power, both models utilize the impressive Nettuno V6 engine. The Modena offers a thrilling 490 horsepower, providing exhilarating performance for daily driving and spirited tours. However, the Trofeo truly unleashes the engine's full potential with 550 horsepower, pushing its 0 to 60 mph time down to a blistering 3 seconds. This makes the Trofeo the clear choice for those prioritizing ultimate speed. Beyond raw power, the driving experience differentiates these two. The Modena is designed for grand touring, offering a supremely comfortable ride with a focus on luxury and advanced driver assistance systems. The Trofeo, on the other hand, provides a more engaging and dynamic feel, thanks to its sport-tuned suspension and sharper handling. While both boast exquisite interiors, the Trofeo adds distinct performance-oriented touches. Considering the price, the Modena offers exceptional luxury and performance starting around $190,000. The Trofeo, with its enhanced power and track-ready features, typically begins at over $220,000. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize a comfortable, elegant Grand Tourer or a more aggressive, high-performance machine. Before you decide, make sure to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.